In this video, I'm going to show you how to tape your canvas or grid your canvas off so you can work in sections on your canvas instead of just using the whole thing, so that way you can cut the plastic little by little, and you can make these squares or rectangles as big as you want or as little as you want. So stay tuned for the video. So to do this process of taping off your canvas, you can use whatever kind of tape you have around. You can use washi tape, you can use Scott decorative tape, you can use duct tape. There's other things you can use too. I just use tape so that way I can just cut my clear plastic as I go along instead of buying other things. You can buy forgot what it's called, but papers. You can use parchment paper on this, but I just use my tape to tape it off. So here we go.